everyone, ladies and gents. Well, today is quite a special trip. We're on our way to Wales, and the main purpose is to see a full replica of the Orca, the boat from Jaws. So Jaws fans will absolutely love this video. We're going to be staying at the Eagle Hotel again. It turns out we stayed there about this time last year. Fantastic hotel with just an absolutely awesome breakfast. So we've got about 4 hours of riding. As you can see, the roads are busy. We'll be taking off through some of this in a minute. I'm not going to show you the full ride because it's going to be boring as hell, but I will show you the hotel and the arrival, and then tomorrow is the day we see the boat, and you're going to get to see some footage from that. The weather's looking good. We don't get to go out on the boat, by the way, it just stays in the dock, but you get an hour to look round it, take pictures, pose, you get to yourself. Maximum party of 4 for 1 hour, 95 quid, absolute bargain, especially for Jaws fans, and we're absolutely massive Jaws fans. Can't get enough of it, so keep watching. Okay, now fire. Here we are, morning. Here we are. Our parking space is still there. Perfect, I think.
The cat's still here.
Is the fucking hotel open?
Joke.
Oh dear. Looks fucking derelict. There's no rooms tonight, so I tried to check it on Trivago, see if it was cheaper. So we're just pulling up to the Conwy Marina to see the Orca. This is the last 0.1 mile. So where we're going to be pulling up on the bikes, we're not necessarily be able to see the boat because we've got to park. See if we can find some parking. There we are, Conwy Marina. Motorcycles. Right by me.
It's hard to believe she's the only full-size replica of the Orca that's ever been made, since the original two were allowed to just waste away. The original wooden boat, of course, went to Los Angeles. It became part of the Jaws ride at Universal in Los Angeles. But it was there for so long, all the people that were there forgot that she was the actual boat from the movie and just let her rot away. And so it was only until Spielberg came to sit on her one evening that he reminded them that, he said, "Where is it?" And they said, "It's gone. It's rotted away, but it's all right. We'll probably build a new one." And he said, "What do you mean build a new one? That's the one that was in the movie." And no one knew. So it was a bit of a shock for everybody, especially for Spielberg. So it was.
That's not going to see many shots, is it?
We're in a cage. Cage in the water. Sharks in the water.
Ain't got no spin.
Yeah.
Smile, you son of a bitch.